Hello, everybody. Welcome back. Today, we are going to learn how to ask questions. Okay. So, here in this particular slide, you can see the asking words like what, who, where, why, when. Before starting these words one by one, I want to ask you some questions. Just try to understand the meanings of these sentences and try to answer. First question: who is your favorite actor or actress? Where do you live? When is the national day of your country? Why do you want to learn English? What do you do in your free time? Which do you prefer, chocolate or pizza? How do you celebrate your birthday? So here as you can see all the words which starts with WH and HO, these words are called as asking questions like who, where, when, why, what, which. Okay, and one word how is also there. So these are the words which helps you to ask questions. Okay, so a question word helps in asking questions. A question begins with a capital letter and ends with a question mark. As you can see, all the sentences starts with capital letter and at the last of the sentence you have a question mark there. So it's really very important to understand one by one what a particular word means and how you use it in your sentences. Okay, so let's try to do it and try to understand what are the particular words mean. Let's get started. So very first I'm going to describe the word who. WHO.
Who is calling? Who will reach the phone first?
Who is the particular word which describes about the person or people? When you asking about a person or people, then you can use the word who. Who is only used to refer to a person or people. You cannot use who with non-living things. Like I want to know the person. Yes. So some examples are there. Who is the best football player in the world? Who are those people over there? Who is that man behind the mask? So here who is refers particularly a person or some people. Okay? So I think you understand where we use the word who. And then after the last of the sentence you should put a question mark. Now next we are going to learn where we use the word when. WHEN. Yes? So let's get started. When can I go on vacation? Here, when WHEN word refers to the time or moment or any type of occasion. Yes? So, when is the word which refers time, occasion or moment. Okay? I want to know the time. So, when you want to know the time, you can ask the question started with when. Here we have some examples. In Hindi, this word particularly means kab. Okay, so examples are: when does the store open? When is your birthday? When are we going to finish? So, as you can see, all these sentences asking about the time or moment or occasion. Okay, when does the store open? So, what is the time? Okay, then when is your birthday? This is also asking about the date or time. Yes, so I think you understood when. Now, we will move forward the next word. Next word is why. Why are you angry? In Hindi, why means kyun. Okay, so when you ask anybody about reason or any explanation, so then you can use this word why. Why is used to obtain an explanation or a reason. I want to know the reason. When you want to know the reason in you can say in Hindi, you can say कारण. किस वजह से कोई गुस्सा है या नाराज है या रो रहा है या हंस रहा है. Okay, so that time you should use this word why. Here we have some examples.
Why is the window open? Why are they always late? Why do you want to learn English?
So, whenever you want to ask a question, whenever you want to ask reason, okay, why this happened, so you should use the word why, WHY, okay? Next word, it is what, WHAT.
What is making that sound?
The word what in Hindi means kya. Okay, so whenever you want to ask any specific thing or object, you should use the word what. What is used to refer to specific information about something. I want to know the thing. Okay, so that time you should use the word what. So here we have some examples related to the word what.
What is your surname? What are you doing? What do you want for dinner?
So here all these sentences are asking about specific information. Okay, so very first sentence ask about surname, then next one is ask about what are you doing. Yes, so that time you should use the word what. Now we will move forward for the next word. Next word is not belongs to WH type of word. It is started with H. Okay, so the word is how. HOW.
How do I stop the baby from crying?
How means in Hindi you can say kaise. So whenever you want to ask any manner or any type of way how it done or any type of description, you should ask the question start with how. How is used for a description of something or the way it is done. I want to know the way or form. So here we have some examples to define the word how. Okay, so let's have them.
How do you go to the school? How can I learn English quickly? How do you feel today?
So here, how do you go to school? They ask you about the way. It might be by bus, by bicycle, yes. Or the second question is there, how can I learn English quickly? So it asked you about the description or how what is the manner to learn the English quickly. Yes. So I think you understood it very well. Now we will move forward for the next word. Next word is whose. Whose toothbrush is this? Or you can have a next example. Whose ball is this? Itlan is asking about whose ball is this? Whose in Hindi you can say kiska, yeah? Kiski ball hai. Yes? So answer of this question you can give like it's mine. Thanks. Okay? Next word we have where. WHERE. Where in Hindi you can say kaha. Yes. So let's have one example.
Where should I go?
So the word where is used to ask the position or the place of anything. Okay. Where is used to refer to a place or a location. You can say like I want to know the place. Yes, let's have some more examples to understand it well. Where is the library? Where do you live? Where can I buy lunch near here? So, in all these questions, the person is asking about where the place, where's the location or position. Yes. So, in this way, I think you understood where we use the word where. Yes. Now, I'm going to use the first slide of the video and try to explain you further. Who is your favorite actor or actress? So here they are asking about favorite actor or actress. So these are two person. Okay. So whenever we ask about a person, we should use the word who. Okay. Now move on our next sentence. Where do you live? So here the word where is the asking word. Okay. So where means kaha. It said you about place or location. Yes. You can frame some more sentences like, where's my book? Where do you stay? Where is your house? Okay, so in this way you can ask any question about the position or location with the help of the word where. Now move forward for the next word. When is the national day of your country? So here, when is about time. Okay, so the person is asking about the time. It might be date or any particular time. So whenever you want to ask any particular time or any particular date, you should ask the questions with the when. Okay, now next one. Why do you want to learn English? So as I have already told you, why means क्यों. Okay, so whenever you want to ask anybody the reason behind it, okay, so you should ask the question with the word why. Why do you want to learn English? Or you can make many more sentences like, why are you crying? Why are you not concentrating in the class? Or many more sentences. Okay, next word is what. Okay, so the sentence is here, what do you do in your free time? So whenever you want to ask any information or you want to ask any about object or anything, you should ask the sentence with the what. Next one is, which do you prefer, chocolate or pizza? So as I have already told, whenever we want to ask any living person, we should start with who, and whenever we ask any non-living or any object, we should start with which. So here, chocolate and pizza, these are the objects, or you can say eating material or things. So you should start with the sentence, which do you prefer? It is not who do you prefer. Okay, be careful. Who is used for person and which is used for object. Understood? Now the last one, how do you celebrate your birthday? So how, as I have already told you, how means kaise. So it asks you about the way or manner. Okay, how you celebrate your birthday. It means they are asking about in which way you celebrate your birthday. Okay, so I think you understood all these sentences very well. The question mark type of sentences called as interrogative sentences. Okay, as I have already told you in our previous lecture, there are three type of sentences. Affirmative sentences, which are the simply statement, then negative sentences, the sentences which has not with it, and the last one is third one, interrogative type of sentences which are asking questions. Okay, so now take a quick recap. Okay, so the word what is used for whenever we talk about any object, idea or action. Yes, and the second word is where. Whenever we want to ask any place or position, we should start the sentence with where. Next, whenever we talk about the word when, it denotes the time. Okay, and whose is used for possession. किसका है, किससे belong करता है. Okay, then who for person. Whenever we talk about a person, we use who, and whenever we talk about any non-living thing, we can use which. I think now you understand how we use these words in question words. Okay, now the next word is how. How means whenever we talk about any manner or way. Okay, कैसे करना है or कैसे होता है. And then why is always asked about the reason. Okay, why this happened, why this not. One thing you need to remember, you should put question mark at the last of the sentence. I think you all understood how to use these asking words in the sentences. So related exercises of the textbook we will do in the next video lecture. Okay, then what is your homework? Your homework is to again watch this video carefully and try to learn whatever I have taught you. Okay, so thanks a lot. Keep smiling and keep learning. If you like this video, subscribe the channel. Thank you. Bye-bye.